very exciting, thrilling YouTuber. If you're looking for the best way to precisely change faces in a photo, like you see here. Not only that, but you can also change faces in a multifaceted image. If there are more than one person, you can replace all the faces in the photo with any faces you need. But it doesn't stop there. You can also change faces in videos with very high accuracy, as you can see. And if there are multiple people in a video, you can also change all the faces in that video with excellent precision. The link to the website we'll be using today is in the description and the first comment. But if this is your first time watching, please support us by subscribing, liking the video, and turning on notifications so you'll be notified when we upload a new episode. Also, leave us comments, because that really helps us. This is Ibrahim Mahdi, and this is your channel, Body Tech. Let's get started with the explanation.
In this video, we will using Edimakor AI from HitPo. It's a best PC app for video editing. I have a lot of AI tools to make everything you need. When you enter for homepage, they offer a Black Friday sale 70% free off. You can use this now. First, get started free, and now you can download this app and save it on your PC to installing it. When you install app for first time, you can see the simple interface. This is AI tools. When you press here, you can see more to show all AI tools in the program. Today we will focus in face swap. To swap any face in video and pictures, very easy. You have two options in face swap. First, video face swap and photo face swap. We will start with photos. In photos, you will see single face swap and multiple face swap. In single face swap, press import files to get a main image. I need to swap face from this actor with my face. Now we will press facial recognition. Now use on face 1, press on this plus to get my face. Here is you have three options: face, mosaic, sticker. Now we will choose our face to use it and swap face. Now wait for seconds, it will finish. It's finished. We can drag to timeline to see this is my face. It's finished and it's very accurate. Now let's try multiple faces. To change multiple faces in one image, press import files, import the image with different three faces, and press facial recognition. Now press plus to get faces. I imported Mohamed Salah and Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo faces. Now in this phase I will choose Mohamed Salah, and on this face I will choose Messi, and I choose last face and Cristiano Ronaldo. Now swap faces to start and wait to see results. Finished. Now drag it to timeline to see. It's really amazing. Three faces applied, very accurate. Now we will move to video to see single face in video, import files to get a video. I get Ronaldo DiCaprio video and Oscar reward, facial recognition to get my face. Now I will choose my face to put it on Leonardo DiCaprio face in Oscar Awards, then face swap. Wait, and my face will apply it on Leonardo DiCaprio face. Now video finished. I will drag it to timeline to see results. My face, it's very
Making
amazing.
The Revenant was about man's relationship to the natural world, a world that we collectively felt in 2015 as the hottest year in recorded history. Our production needed to move to the sun.
Now I can export it on my device and click on export. Now we explained all about face swap in Edimakor app, and it's amazing result. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.
Making The Revenant was about man's relationship to the natural world, a world that we collectively felt in 2015 as the hottest year in recorded history. Our production needed to move to the southern tip of this planet just to be able to find snow. Climate change is real. It is happening right now. It is the most urgent threat facing our entire species, and we need to work collectively together and stop procrastinating. We need to support leaders around the world who do not speak for the big polluters or the big corporations, but who speak for all of humanity, for the indigenous people of the world, for the billions and billions of underprivileged people who will be most affected by this. for our children's children, and for those people out there whose voices have been drowned out by the politics of greed. I thank you all for this amazing award tonight. Let us not take this planet for granted. I do not take tonight for granted. Thank you so very much.